Namaste guys, so in this video we are going to make this 3 jaw mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First go to assembly and click OK. So before I start making, check out my new channels. Okay, link in description. And as usual, I don't know its dimension anything else. I'm just making from scratch. Okay, so let's start. So first click on insert, click on new part, select the front plane and make sure that you click on no external preferences else you will face problem later onwards. Okay. Now press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now click on 3-point arc. So let's create 3-point arc. Give it a radius as per your requirement. I'm giving it a 42. Remember, I don't know whether the dimension is wrong or right. I will make it right after I will make the whole thing. Okay. Now click on here. Click on mid plane. Remember mid plane. Okay. Because when we do some meetings, it will help us. Okay. And here 10 is okay. Yeah. Let's make it mid plane. Control plus 8. It looks good. Now click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Press Control plus 8. Now we need to make a joint. Hole. Sorry. Let's say 3 mm. By the way, this video is requested to someone on Reddit, so that's the reason I'm making. There are some other video requests that some guys do on my post, so I will make that videos later onwards. So don't worry about it. So here we have to do the first part. Now exit the assembly component mode. Before doing that, we need to make. I will do later onward. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I need a base where basically all these things attach. So let's select the top plane. Exit this and select the top plane. Click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's make a circle first. Let's say the diameter is 30 mm. And let's make something here. Make sure that your non-student preferences checked on, else you will face problem, because I saw some comments where people saying that it's not working or facing problem in mate. So if you don't click on it, you will face problems. Before I made, let's do some dimensions first. 20 mm. 15 mm is better. And click on main entities, select these lines and mirror boards. After that, we are going to use circular pattern. So select the center of it, origin, and click on move entities to be mirror. And press OK. Click OK. Now go to features, click on extrude, select these faces. Some people will say you can trim it, but yeah, you can trim it, but you know my work can be done without trimming, so why I will waste my time. So yeah, it's okay. So click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now we need to make a 3 mm hole here. 3 mm, and let's distance is 3 mm here. And this one is. Let me check what is the extrusion. Exit the sketch mode. The extrusion is 14 mm. So right click on here, click on sketch and make it 7 mm. Now exit it. Now go to features, click on extrude cut, Select this sketch, click on through all, click OK. Now we need to go to circular pattern, select a circular face, select the feature we want, basically this one, and this is 4. Click OK. So to here it looks good. Okay. Now exit that assembly component mode and go to the mates, select this and this one, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK, and I need to do one more thing. Select the front plane of the assembly, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus A. Now go here, click on center line, draw the center line, escape, exit the sketch mode, click on mates, select this face and this face, click on concentric. Okay, let's just click on virtual lines. Select this virtual line and select this. Yeah, this comes. Select this face and select the top face of the assembly. Click OK. Now select this part again and click on edit components. Select the top face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw a circle. 10 mm is fine. And go here, click on extrude both faces. Increase as per your requirement. Click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Select this sketch face, press Ctrl plus 8 and click on sketch. Click on convert entities. First select the sketch and click on convert entities. Press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy it. Yes, and exit. After that, exit as a component mode. Go here, click on new part. Select the top plane. Press Ctrl V. Draw a circle here. Make sure next turn preference is checked on. Click on external surfaces. Make it 20 mm. Click OK. Exit as component mode. And delete this sketch. Right click on it, delete, because it's no use for us now. Now go to the mates. Select this and this. Click OK. Select this part. Click on add component. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now we need to make a hole. Select this face. Draw a hole of 3 mm and 10 mm from here. 3 mm. Click on extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now go here. Click on circular pattern. Select this face. Delete. Select here. Select this face. And click OK. So we have created two parts. This is the simple mode. Now I need to make the link between them so that it can move upward and forward as it moves. So let's see how we can do it. So to do that, select this part, click on addition component mode, select the front plane. As you can see, the front plane is exactly in the middle. That's the reason I prefer, extrusion from mid plane, because it gives me a lot of choices and I really like it. And right click on it, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So I need to make a hole there and extrusion cut. So to do that, what I can do is simply draw a sketch like this and click on here, click on extrude cut. Now click on mid plane again and make it 8 mm. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we need to make a hole. Let's make it 3 as usual. And remember the radius is 42 So 42 escape, select this line, convert it to section, select this point and select this, make it make constant. Now extrude cut it through exit assembly component mode. Now we need to make something to connect these two. So for that what we can do is simply go here, click on new part, front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, slot command. Make sure that you have checked on national preferences as you will face problem. I'm saying again and again because I saw comments people are facing problems. Just that assembly mode is I think best mode because it saves a lot of time, changing again and again. That's a stupid thing, so I don't like that. 90.87 is okay. Make it 10 Go to features, extrude it 8 okay. Acceleration component mode. Now we need to do some mating. So select this and this, click OK, select this face and this face. Select this and this, click OK. Now if I try to move it, select this face first, press Ctrl plus 8, select this, press Ctrl plus 8, and if I try to move it, you can see that I get a pretty cool thing. Now it's rotating that I don't like it. So let's try to fix something. So select this face and go to assembly. Select the front plane and make sure it's parallel. Click OK. Now select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now if I try to move upward and downward, it will not rotate. Okay. Now I have made this. Now let's make other components. So what you can do is click on here, click on circular pattern. Yeah. First select a axis. Basically now select the parts. We want basically 4. Click OK. So if I try to move upward and downwards, you can see I get this cool animation. Basically, this is inspired from Toy Story. I can't show you the video. Basically, the editor guy asked me because I will get a copyright strike if I try to show that video. So sorry, I can't do that. But yeah, it's from inspired from Toy Story movie. Basically, where it grabs some toys. So now I need to make some little finishing. So after that we are done. So select this part, click on add components. Let's do some fillet. Select the face, 3 okay, and select these edges by pressing Control. Now go to the fillet. Adjust the component mode. Now do some editing here as well. Just sharp edges is not preferred by anyone because they can injure anybody. So nobody prefer or like sharp edges. Click OK. After that, we are just going to use circular pattern instead of making again and again. Unable to place just drag and decreasing substance. Okay, something's wrong. Close it. Sometimes, Solidworks has inbuilt bugs. Can't do anything for that. So yeah, you have to select it on all of them and do that manually. That consumes a lot of time. It has also a disadvantage that it will consume a lot of RAM in your PC. And guys, I have provided some linking course links. Okay, and if you guys want to learn about SolidWorks animation and motion analysis, you can check out the course link in description on my Udemy. You will learn everything from basics. Okay, it's a quite good course, so you can watch it there. And if you get any doubts, I have created a special section called doubt, so I will clear all your doubts there. So yeah, it's a good thing. And I don't think anybody, my subscriber, have any problem with my videos. If I have, please feel free to say it so that I can make it correct. Now we have make it. Now let's do the animation part. First, let's. Okay, this much distance is okay. So go to evaluate, go to the measure, click on this face and measure this face. 35 mm. Now move upwards, okay, up to this distance. Now go to again and evaluate. Now select this face and it is 93.43 mm. Okay. Now go to the mates. What you can do is advanced mates and now the smallest is 30 mm. Click OK. Now I can't move. Oh, I got error. Select this face and this face. I don't know why it's moving forward certain limits. Oh, sorry, I need to measure it. So let's go to evaluate, measure. Maybe I might measure wrong distance. 34.73. Okay, 34.73 mm. Click OK. Yeah, this works. Control copy, Control V. Now go to the back and click on animate and click on stop. Now increase the FPS to 30.